The choir's offering of music this morning for our service is an oldie and a goodie. We would do this in Fairbanks quite often in the choir after a big season like Christmas or Easter, when we had a lot of music to prepare, many different songs to learn and everything. It was nice to have a little bit of a break and go back to a hymn that was familiar to us as singers and to you as listeners and singers. This one was copyrighted 114 years ago. I'm sure it will go another 114 plus because of the words that we hear. And we like that it tells us about love, because Jesus just demonstrated that with his sacrifice on the cross and then his resurrection, so that we have his love to sustain us from now on.